Hello guys, welcome back to another Blender tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a muzzle flash. First thing, delete the default cube. Shift A and add a plane. Tab into edit mode and select these vertices. S to scale it down. A, right click, subdivide. Right click, subdivide, right click, subdivide. Now go to side view. Shift D. Move it just a little bit. R. Shift D, move it just a little bit, R. Now it kind of looks like that. In fact, I'm going to rotate it a little bit more. Yeah, that's good. So now you're going to select two of these, one of this, one of those. And now you're going to E to extrude. And you're going to select, I accidentally selected that one. So you're going to E to extrude, and you're going to make sure that's straight, because that's going to be the bullet path. It should be straight. Now you're going to select these two right there. Now F to fill. Tab, go back to object mode. Go to modifier tab and add a modifier. Go add a displace modifier. Add new. Go to the texture tab, image or movie, change it to clouds. Put the scale to 1. And just mess around with the depth in a little bit. Yeah. Just do that, and now Shift A, go to volume, empty. Modifier tab, mesh to volume. Get this eyedrop thingy, select the plane, voxel amount 100. 100. And now add modifier, volume displace, new. Go down here, image or movie, clouds, size 0.5. Also, you're going to go back and don't forget to make the density to 3, so it's really dense. So now, if we go here, make sure it's on cycles. Go to rendered view. Let's just hide the plane. Now you can see the muzzle flash. There's something missing from it. There's no bang. There's no fire. There should be like a fire element to it. Shift A, add a UV sphere. Press S to scale it down and move it to the very back of it. Right there-ish. Now add a new material. Scroll down and turn the emission to like an orangish. And emission strength to 500. Now if you go to rendered view, you can see that it's a pretty good muzzle flash. It's a pretty decent muzzle flash. If you want it to be better, you could make the voxel amount, instead of 100, 130. That would be a bit better. And there you go. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.